I don't have much, but if there's an opportunity for me to give something to these stray dogs, I would do so. Sometimes I would stop on the road, or maybe I'd go on the side and help these strays. This is the least I could do. Give them a little bit of something. Unfortunately, I don't have that space. I learned that these strays were being taken by the so-called pounder, and they were being fed to crocodiles. It's just so sad. I don't know about the stray cats, but I just heard the stray dogs. So whenever I'm giving them food, and if the dogs are not gonna eat, at least there are stray cats gonna eat it. And they're gonna eat it, and I love that they're sharing. Some of these dogs I haven't seen already, so I don't know if they were already taken or not, but I just hope that they're okay, and I hope the owners or whoever the dog owners of these dogs, please take good care of your pets or take good care of these dogs. For those owners who don't know how to take good care of dogs, better not have one. Or if in Tagalog or in Bisaya, please, ayaw na mo pag iro if dili mo kabalo mag-atiman sa inyong mga iro. Please lang. Stop.
Very good.
Dili
Good
mo kabalo
boy.
mag-atiman og iro. Palihog lang.
Good boy.
You don't have to own. You don't deserve to own one if dili mo kabalo mag-atiman. Palihog lang. Have pity on these animals. They deserve a home. But unfortunately, they ended up on the street. And to all dog owners, please, it's very difficult for these animals to be homeless. Stop breeding.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Because a lot of people don't even know
Sit.
how to take good
Sit.
care of dogs.
Sit. Sit.
Puppy,
Very
yes.
good.
Well,
Good boy.
not even puppy for